Here to install my intake. Soon I get done doing this, and then I'm gonna let you know how the other ones turned out. I had set them on. I'll get back with you. Alright. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 5.2 DDK back again with another video. Hope y'all doing well, staying COVID free. If you're watching this video, subscribe, like, comment. I wish peace and blessings to all y'all. Stay prayed up. Now let's get into it. Like I said, I already took everything out the box. I got the JLT. This is the JLT filter. I haven't opened this up yet. The sticker. We have directions on how to install the JLT, and we have a card from JLT. They let y'all know what they offer for whatever manufacturer and model trim vehicle. So make sure y'all go check them out. It's gonna be a unbox and install video. So make sure you check out this whole video. I mean, you probably don't know how to install cold air intakes, especially a JLT one. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. So I'm gonna try to make this fast as I can because it's supposed to be raining. I'm not trying to get rained on while doing this. But apologize for me looking like a glow stick. My ISO for this camera is on auto, and I'm really matching with the car right now. But yeah, we finna jump straight into this video. Finna pop the hood. There go to Shelby. Finna pop the hood, get everything started. I have no tools. I don't keep all the tools. I really need to get a big toolbox because you never know when you might need or whatever. But you know, I have an impact driver. Sometimes you can use an impact driver for damn near anything. Like, I try to keep certain socket sizes because, you know, when it comes to Mustangs and bolt-ons and everything, you always gonna have that, oh yeah, 8mm bolt, 10mm bolt, 12mm bolt. It's like, it's always the same bolt size, you know what I'm saying? So I try to keep certain tools and everything. So I reused this because it was real dirty. So I washed it, rinsed it out, let it dry, and I use K&N air filter. That's why it looks yellowish, reddish, dirtyish. But all this finna change today. This is too good. Yes, sir. Take that out the plastic. Good googly moogly. Look at this filter. Man, it's a big filter, huh? Already nice and oiled and everything, so we ain't got to worry about that. We can just straight install it. Yeah, you can feel all that. It's nice. Look at that. Alright, so I know y'all gonna see this, but my dog got a hold of this when he was like slightly a younger dog, and yeah, and trust me, it wasn't a husky. Yeah, you see that clamp right down there? That's attached to the throttle body. We're gonna loosen that up real good. Alright, that's loose enough. Now we're gonna disconnect two PVC lines like that. So got this yellow one off. Lift up this blue tab. If you got an older model, 350, it'll probably be a gray tab. Push this back. See that right there? You gotta click that back. Go for this bolt down here in this fender well. So remove both of these PVC lines right here from the top, and then you're gonna remove the mass airflow sensor connector. It push ins and out. I just push it in. That's to show you what I'm talking about. And then just push it out, and it's gonna unplug just like that. This top piece right here, they come out. These two connectors. You should be able to remove the whole airbox. Boom. Just like that. Next, while your stock airbox is out, you want to unscrew both T20 screws out of the mass airflow sensor tubing area. Go ahead and install this mass airflow sensor. Gasket first, mass airflow sensor, then screws. Go ahead and get that bolted in place. Boom, there we have it. So then after that, you want to install these grommets that you got to take off your stock airbox. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these. One right up here. One of them go inside, one go on the inside. Now when you got all your bushings and grommets in, you ready to go ahead and put everything together and put it inside the car. After that, you want to take your bolt. And this bad boy right here, you want to make sure you get this put in. You want to make sure you want to get this slotted in right. There, duck. Sorry, like it's getting dark out here, and it's only 3:10. It's about to start raining. Well, yep, that came out of nowhere. Part 2. All right, y'all. So right now, at this point, what I like to do before I put anything on the car, I like to piece everything together. I like to go ahead and pair the filter with the tubing. Another piece on the bottom. So we got this all put together now. Mass airflow sensor screws, gasket, all that's checked. Tensioner with the filter on the whole tubing is checked. Oh, the throttle body mount that's secure, and we're gonna tighten it up. Yeah, make sure that definitely ain't going nowhere. All right, yeah, I just realized something, so I had to do a little minor adjustment. I want this bolt to be on this side. After that, it's straight JLT performance facing you. Tensioners on. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this down. Position my clamps, my tensioners, so I can get to them way more easier with an impact driver or screwdriver, whatever you use. Make sure you got your second clamp on. Put that on. After that, you'll be good to go. Tighten up the last tensioner. After when you get your tensioners tightened, filter nice and properly seated. One. Two. Flush that down. Last but not least, 3. Make sure you click that red tab up under. Then you don't have no connecting spots to put this on, so you tuck that away nice and safely. This right here, everyone, is my new JLT cold air intake. Appreciate that, JLT. Filter nice, tensioner tight, mass airflow sensor back in. Both of those tensioners nice and tight, flushed against that throttle body. We good to go, everyone. Then once you got that installation, slide that heat blocker in there. Now after that, if you already have a tune or don't have a tune, make sure you get tuned before you drive this, just to be safe, so you can get all those gains out your car. But other than that, that was unboxing installation. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. My name is 5.2 DDK, and I'm out of here, y'all.